Brad Williams, Excel Prime, using the drop function, place rows 1 through 14, columns 2 and 3 into a new list. Doing something a little bit different here. We have 3 columns in our original set of data. We only want round 1, round 2 scores. How do we do this? Remember, we're always working with positive and negative numbers. Remember I said we're going to mess around with columns? We're using drop. That means remove. We have number 1 in our formula function. Well, this is actually a function here. This is all interrelated. The argument -1. We're leaving a space here. 2 commas. That's not a mistake. In Excel, if you need to leave a blank area, in other words, we're leaving rows empty, then we can implement this strategy. Put the 1 in there. The outcome will be everything excluding column 1. Our output will be scores round 1 and 2 and all scores 1 through 14. 14 rows. Here's our narrative. You can read it. I think I just explained it. Here's our anatomy. Here's the outcome. You can play around with this thing. Throw in a 2 here. Throw in a 1 in this blank. Throw in a 3. See what the outcome is. Brad Williams, Excel Prime.